Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let me show you how I put together this amazing rice pudding or rice porridge. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have some pre-cooked white rice. You can use leftover rice to make other things other than fried rice. So today I'll be making some rice pudding or rice porridge. Here I have some regular whole milk, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, some custard powder. Now, if you can't find custard powder, you can leave it out, but it adds great flavor and texture to this recipe. Here I'll be using a cinnamon stick, some clove, ground cinnamon, and nutmeg. I have some vanilla and some sugar. So to a preheated pot, you want to go in with your milks. You want to add the evaporated milk and the regular whole milk, and you want to add your spices. Give it a stir, allow it to come up to a simmer, then you will reduce the heat to the lowest because you don't want the milk to boil over or burn. Allow it to go for 5 minutes, after which you will add your sweetened condensed milk. You will add your sugar, and you want to add that custard powder. Like I said, the custard powder adds immaculate flavor to this, and it gives it a nice texture because it thickens a bit. It's not enough to make it super thick, but it's so delicious in here. You have to try this, guys. You can find custard powder on Amazon, or it may be selling in your local grocery store. Once you add all those ingredients, you want to go in with your rice, give it a stir. Again, allow it to come up to a simmer first, and then you want to lower your heat to the lowest because you don't want, the stuff to burn or boil over. You will allow it to go until it thickens. Allow it to thicken up and become like, a custard or a porridge, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. So after it thickens, this is how it should be looking. Now the texture completely depends on how you want your rice porridge or pudding. You want a more porridge texture, you can stop it when it's a bit more thinner. But this is how I like mine. The last thing you want to add is your vanilla, and at this point you should have your heat turned off. You want to stir that in until it's fully combined, and that's it, guys. The most amazing rice porridge you will ever try. And trust me, I think that the secret ingredient here was the custard powder. That's a different ingredient that I add to my rice porridge that made it absolutely amazing and set it apart from all the others. And it was so delicious, I almost ate the entire pot. So here you have it, my version of rice porridge or rice pudding. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and my measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.